Would you like to decrease the amount of time you spend explaining basic concepts or repeating information from your assigned readings? Building a custom learning bot for your course material can help you do that. The bots that we build are free and no coding is necessary. They can be built in less than 10 minutes. Do you want to help your students dive deeper into course readings? Let's make a bot that can summarize sections from your readings. We'll make these bots on a platform called Poe, which can be found at poe.com. The interface on poe.com is simple. You have to give your bot a name. You have to choose a base. I suggest using ChatGPT for your base. You give a prompt that describes how the bot should behave. Those are just a few sentences telling the bot what it needs to do. You give it a knowledge base. Sometimes you don't need to do this if you just wanted to find the knowledge on the World Wide Web. But if you have a specific document, such as the readings for your class, you can upload the documents here. You need to set a greeting. That's something that the person sees when they first go to your bot. And then you create the bot. In these 6 steps, you can create different types of bots. We will look first at how to create a bot with your course readings. Tell your bot in the instruction section, that's the prompt where you tell it how to behave, that you want it to summarize from the course reader. You can give more in-depth instructions if you wish. Be sure to upload the readings that you want. After filling in the rest of the information, build your bot. Congratulations! Now you have your first bot. Try it out. Ask it a few questions that you think it should be able to answer. If it answers correctly, your bot is probably ready to go, but you can test it with other people. Otherwise, if you're getting answers that you weren't expecting, change the information that you put in the behavior section and test it again until you're getting the types of answers that you want. Let's take it up a notch. Now we're going to have our bot actually give some summaries of case law. So we want our bot to look at the European Court of Human Rights case law. And what we need to do there is in the section where we describe the behavior of our bot, let's paste in the URL from HUDOC, the place where you find the European Court law decisions. Of course, if you're looking at another court, you could paste in another URL. The idea here is that by telling it in its behavior where you want it to find the information, then the answers that it gives will be based on that court's information. Go through the same steps as before and instruct your bot, then create your bot. In this section, you will not need to have a knowledge base because it's using the URL that you've assigned to it. Test all your bots and always check and revise the section on behavior if you see it giving answers that you're not satisfied with. In most cases, these bots are ready to go with very simple sets of information. So we know that vocabulary is crucial when we're teaching. So let's make a bot that is for EU law terminology. In this case, what we're going to do is give the bot a URL that goes to the EU law Lex summaries. And this will use the definitions that are found there, which is basically a huge glossary of terms that you use in EU law. And it will answer any questions about concepts that come from EU law. Define what you want this bot to do, which is define terms from this website and paste in the URL. And then Poe will work its magic, and you will have another bot that can help students with complex legal terms. This can be adapted for other situations. Anytime that you have a source that is reputable and it's a URL, you can direct the bot to get its information from that URL. As we've seen here, Poe.com makes creating learning bots easy. You can customize them for any subject, and you can change the way the students learn. This is a free tool, and students can access it by you sharing a copy of the URL to your bot.